Okay, today's video I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite go-to protective styles that I've been wearing for a long time. Pretty much one of the reasons I was excited about going natural is because I wanted to wear this style so badly, and that is 2-strand twists. I know you guys are probably thinking that's dull, that's boring, but the thing I love about 2-strand twists is that I don't have to do anything with my hair for like a week or two. And really, I could probably go 3 weeks and maybe even 4 sometimes, but I just choose not to do that because I like to deep condition my hair often. The other thing that's great about 2-strand twists is that you kind of get a 2-for-1 because you can wear your hair in the 2-strand twist and then unravel them and wear a twist out. So you get 2-for-1 for lazy naturals. That's like just the best thing. Another thing, like I said, it's a protective style. After I take my twist out and then I go to wash my hair, whatever, my hair is not all tangled up and matted up, and I don't have to go through a whole long detangling process. It's pretty much just detangled already, so that's another good thing about it. Also with 2-strand twists, you can style it in several different styles. You can wear it up, top down, just all of it down, just in a ponytail, which is what I do a lot of times. And the thing, what I'm going to show you how I do mine is they're actually wearable. So I know like sometimes when you're doing a twist out, you just do the 2-strand twist, you don't care what it really looks like because you know you're just going to unravel them. Well, I'm showing you how to do them neat so that you can wear them out and look neat in public, you know, at work, at school, whatever. So let's get this party started. So I started off by washing my hair with the KeraCare Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. This shampoo is just one of my all-time favorites. It detangles and my hair doesn't feel stripped at all. When I'm using it, it also smells really good. Then I followed up with the KeraCare Humecto conditioner. I've also been using this conditioner for many years and it just really does a trick. It detangles, it makes my hair feel strong, and it also moisturizes. Next, what I'm going to be applying to my hair is the KeraCare leave-in conditioner. This is another one of my all-time favorites. And if you watch my favorite leave-in conditioner video, this product is mentioned because it's just a really good leave-in conditioner. My hair feels really moisturized, it detangles, and it just it smells good, and it just makes my hair feel really good. I like to apply the leave-in conditioner to my whole head first, and it's just because I don't want my hair to get dry before I apply the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to use the KeraCare buttercream, and it's just an everyday moisturizer. It's pretty thick, but you don't have to use a lot of it. It smells really good, and it just makes my hair really soft. And when I use this product, I do not have to re-moisturize my hair for at least a whole week. After that, I'm gonna apply the Twist and Define cream. This cream is pretty lightweight, but it really does a trick. It makes my hair really shiny. The twists last really long, but there's no crunch to it. Also, you can see I'm adding some edge control to my hair, and this just makes my twist last longer. Okay, so this is the finished product, not dry obviously, but I just finished twisting it. There's nothing, I didn't show you guys, just be too long a video. I didn't show you guys how I did the rest of my hair because it's just the same process, just separate into equal pieces and twist. It's important that you have equal pieces because you don't want to end up having to borrow from the other section of hair when you're doing the twist because it just makes it not look as good. You want twists are the same all the way down. Now, as you see, my hair is thinner at the ends. So about right here is when it stops just being a big, fat, nice looking twist anyway. And you can see this piece, I always, in all my videos, I complain about these straight pieces in the front. They're damaged. I'm not cutting those yet because I'm doing a 60-day collagen challenge. I'm not quite done yet, so I don't want to cut my hair so that the before and after pictures will be more accurate. But anyway, and as you can see, I have these clips right here. You saw that I use edge control, as I mentioned. You don't have to do this, but I know I want my hair parted right here. I'm going to wear it like this, and I want these parts slicked down, so I'm just sticking a clip right there so when I dry it, it'll stay in place. That's completely optional. Also for the edge control, I only do it like in the front of my hair. I don't do it in the back. You can if you want to, and it may make your twist last longer. And I don't do edge control all the way down, obviously. I just put it like near the scalp, like right here, of course, on the edges. Another thing is in the back, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not the type that can part and braid my hair really good in the back. I've been twisting my hair for years and years and years, and I still just never mastered that. I'm gonna show you guys the back. I guess you can see it. If your hair is thick enough, it's really not gonna, the parts in the back are not gonna matter that much. It's because they're not really gonna show. So it's fine if you can't part perfectly, or even if you can't twist perfectly in the back, it'll still look good in the front is what's more important to me anyway. So another thing is, you guys notice I use the butter and I use the twisting cream. That's also optional. I like to lay on the products, and then I don't know for low porosity hair if that's a good thing or not, but I do shampoo my hair every week, so it really doesn't matter, every 2 weeks. But you can just use the butter to twist your hair with, or you can just use the twisting cream to twist your hair with. And also, the twisting cream is not like a real heavy cream. It looks like it is, but it's actually more like a custard, and it's pretty light. So if you don't like your hair weighed down, I definitely think that'd be a good option. So I'm gonna, a lot of people, like most people that I know, when they do their hair in 2-strand twist, they let it air dry. I'm one of the few people who don't. I say it over and over again in all my videos. I do not like to walk around with my hair wet. I just don't. And like, if I'm gonna go somewhere, I don't want product or wetness or whatever on my car seat. I don't want it on my couch. I don't want it on my good clothes. I don't want it anywhere. I just like my hair to be dry. And I don't get it like 100% dry, but just like, maybe I say like with twists, maybe, I mean, even 50% is pretty good, or 75% dry is what I mostly do, and then it'll just dry overnight. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after it's dry, and if this product does the way I want it to, it should be good and shiny still even after it's dry. That's how I can tell if it's a product that I really like, because I do not like my hair looking dry and dull. I like it looking shiny to the point where it almost looks wet. So anyway, I'll show you guys the results after it dries. Okay, so I sat under the dryer for a little while, and I just let my hair air dry for the rest of the day, and then I wrapped it up, and then, you know, just let it dry overnight. And as you can see, look at my twists. They're really shiny, they're really bouncy, and they still look neat enough to wear. And also, my hair actually feels soft. There's absolutely no crunch to my hair at all. So I've used these products before, but I usually just use them for twist outs, for big twists that I'm just gonna take out after they dry. This is my first time using them for just wearable 2-strand twists, and I really like the results.